born hungry. So today we are going to make lamingtons. Now lamingtons are basically butter cake or sponge cake that's coated in a chocolate ganache and then coated in desiccated coconut. So this is a recipe that my mother used to make and it's one of my personal favorites. So without much talking, let's go to the video. We have to start by cutting the cake into smaller pieces. So talking about the butter cake, you can make it at home, which will give you a much more tastier end product. But if you want the easy way out, you can always buy it from the store. To make the chocolate ganache, we will be needing 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of butter and 3 to 6 tablespoons of water. Add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar first, then we will add the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next, add 3 tablespoons of water to start with. Then add the 1 tablespoon of butter, switch on the stove and mix all the contents together. As you're mixing this, you will sometimes realize that the mixture is too thick. And then if it's too thick, you cannot coat the cake properly. So because of that, we have to make the mixture less thick. So for that, we have to use 1 tablespoon of water at a time. Mix in the water and see how thick it is. And if it's still too thick, we can add in more tablespoons of water. Once the mixture is ready, you can switch off the stove. Keep mixing it and then add the piece of cake into the mixture. Now this step has to be done really carefully and fast. Fast because the piece of cake can soak the ganache and then the taste will not be that great. You do it carefully because the cake can sometimes break. Quickly transfer the piece of cake into the plate of desiccated coconut that you have to have ready by this time and give it a good round of coating or 2 and leave it aside. Now since this process has to be done really fast, it's better to have 2 people to do the 2 jobs. One to coat with the ganache and one to coat with the coconut. Because if the chocolate ganache cools down, it will not stick the coconut into the cake. You will be able to coat around 5 to 6 pieces of cake from this one round of ganache that we made. So depending on the remaining number of pieces that you will have to do the ganache again. And if you want me to make more videos, like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video soon. Bye.